Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best IIT JEE coaching in your city Bhopal? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best IIT JEE preparations in your city Bhopal. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy is the most preferred online training platform for the preparation of IIT entrance examinations in Delhi. Okay friends, so since 20 years of excellence in the industry of this field, Toppers Academy has now come live in this pandemic era as well. The contribution has been given immensely, experiencing and understanding the needs of the student, growing with the dreams to achieve their goals. Toppers Academy provides the best coaching for IIT JEE Main and Advanced, NEET, AIIMS and also for CBSE Class 9th and 12th and undergraduate and postgraduate courses. Toppers Academy has faculty from IITs who makes the learning so interesting that students enjoy the subject and achieve excellent score in academic as well as competitions. Now let us talk about some of the features of this institute. The very first is updated study material, then interactive live classes. Third is free booklets for IIT JEE. Number 4, newspaper and magazine analysis. Then we have doubt clearing classes, answer writing practice sessions, periodic test series on updated NEET and IIT coaching institutes, regular feedback stories, and then they have limited batch size, that is 30 to 35 students for IIT JEE yearly. Okay, their contact number is 7827048964 and their batch size is 30 to 35 students for online classes batch. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Institute. The Hindu Zone is a platform in which the vision of teaching IIT entrance examination is not only limited to theoretical preparation but also some practical approaches followed accordingly. The expertise counselors guide students to pave ways accordingly and individually for a better understanding of in-depth concepts. Alright, now let us talk about the features of the Hindu Zone Institute. Well-experienced faculty helps students, don't let them be hustled up with their doubts. Then, pre-recorded classes are provided for the extensive training program. Live video sessions inculcate students with long practices. Number 4, updated study material is always there for students to be one step ahead with their preparations among the others. Then, doubt clearing sessions are an advantage for those having huge doubt while studying. Finally, we have regular feedback stories giving attention to real updates of students' analysis of the training, and it provides demo lectures for the students for the preferred coaching with an expert mentor to drive your journey smartly and appropriately. Alright, the address of this institute is 8800222298 and the batches of the institute is 25 to 30 students in a batch. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Mitesh Rathi Classes IIT JEE Coaching. The Mitesh Rathi Classes IIT JEE Coaching is most preferred coaching institute in Bhopal, and in few years they have achieved apex of their career. They believe in professionalism and guide their students on the right track with their excellent guidance. The faculty is excellent and well trained in their work. They have all those facilities which every student require for their excellent preparation. Now let us talk about the address and the contact number. The address of this institute is Mitesh Rathi Classes, Zone 2, MP Nagar, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh 462011. Their contact number is 0755426961. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have Spectrum Institute. As its name suggests, spectrum, when light passes through the prism, the spectrum is formed, and this institute is thwarting in this process by producing countless brilliant students every year. The faculty is well trained and highly educated, and their teaching has the serious impact on their students. Even the infrastructure is well furnished and well maintained for all the students. The most important thing is the study booklet, which is filled with well researched strategies. Alright, now let us talk about the address and the contact number. The address of this institute is R24 opposite railway track, MP Nagar, Zone 2, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh 462011. Their contact number is 091099719001. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Vision Infinity Limited Institute. The Vision Infinity is located in Bhopal and very famous for their IIT JEE coaching classes, and in few years they achieved their flame flare career in this educational field. The infrastructure is well equipped and provide all major facilities. The faculty is highly educated and follow the professional guideline for their students. Vision Infinity has the best vision and infinite ways to achieve difficult goals. The address of this institute is 184 Zone 1 MP Nagar, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh 462011. Their contact number is 075542734006. Now let us talk about the fee structure. Rupees 2 to 3 lakh for 2 years program and 1.3k for dropper batch. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best IIT JEE preparations in your city, Bhopal. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more information and update like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.